All right, let's get straight to it. Year after year, the Mediterranean diet tops the charts as the healthiest way to eat. And trust me, it's not just hype. This way of eating is backed by serious science, showing it can help you live longer, feel amazing, and even boost your mood. Now, you might be thinking, another diet? No thanks. Understood. But the Mediterranean diet isn't about deprivation or counting calories. It's about embracing delicious, fresh food and a way of life that's good for you and tastes great. So, what's the secret? It's simple. The Mediterranean diet is all about real, healthy fats bursting with flavor, plus fresh veggies and whole grains shared with loved ones. Ready to ditch the diet fads and embrace a way of eating that's truly sustainable? Let's dive in. Forget the restrictive diets that leave you feeling deprived and hangry. The Mediterranean way of eating is about abundance, enjoyment, and celebrating the goodness of fresh, seasonal ingredients. Picture this: sunny markets overflowing with ripe tomatoes, glistening olives, and freshly caught fish. Imagine sharing laughter and delicious food with family and friends, savoring every bite. That's the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's about moving your body naturally, whether it's a leisurely stroll along the beach or a lively dance with loved ones. It's about slowing down, appreciating the simple things, and prioritizing connection over calorie counting. Let's be honest, most diets are a recipe for disaster. They're restrictive, complicated, and frankly, not very fun. You're left feeling deprived, counting down the minutes until you can eat something normal again. But here's the good news. The Mediterranean diet is the antidote to all that. It's about ditching the diet mentality and embracing a way of eating that's both delicious and nourishing. Think vibrant salads drizzled with extra virgin olive oil, juicy grilled fish seasoned with aromatic herbs, and sun-ripened fruits bursting with sweetness. It's about savoring every bite, appreciating the natural flavors of fresh ingredients, and feeling satisfied without feeling stuffed. So, what does a typical Mediterranean meal look like? Think of your plate as a canvas, ready to be painted with a rainbow of colorful, wholesome foods. Start with a generous base of vegetables and fruits. The more colorful, the better. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, leafy greens, citrus fruits, berries. Load up on these vitamin-packed powerhouses. Next, add in some healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These good fats are essential for heart health, brain function, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Don't be afraid to drizzle, dip, and sprinkle. Now for protein, think lean and delicious. Fish, chicken, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are all excellent choices. And don't forget whole grains, like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread for sustained energy.